This amazing machine has a full boxing prop to support the table. No overhang issue. Solid box wing, one-piece casting, oversized tolerance. Perfect machine, perfect balancing. Spindle has an oversized cartridge with a fidget taper. This machine amazing, has a 30 horsepower with a 2-speed gearbox. It can generate over 600 Newton meter torque in a low RPM. It's perfect for cutting titanium, ankle nail, the hard materials. Machine comes with a good accessory package. From there, we already have a 4-axis socket, 4-axis pre-wires ready there. Inside the spindle, we have a high pressure coolant ready. So customer can hook up the high pressure pump up to 1000 psi anytime. That's a chip auger beside the table, okay? One on each side. Send the chips to the front. On the front, that's a conveyor. Send the chip to the side. So very efficient chips management. On the rear side, also have all the coolant nozzle with a high pressure to flush out the coolant. That also the standard of this machine. Standard with the 24 tool magazine, Cat 50. Have an oversized collar, one-piece collar. Machine comes with the chip blaster, 1000 psi high pressure coolant. This is the option. Spindle chiller comes with the sander on the machine. Machine also comes with the standard oil skimmer and the flushing pump. Right now we're using a 2-inch index drill with a high pressure coolant, 1000 psi. Next tool will be 4-inch shell mill with a 250 thousandths depth of cut.